40, and I was in Target, and I was standing there about to buy some Cheez-Its, and I screamed, and everyone looked at me like I was a crazy person, probably thought I was being attacked, but this song had just made it into the top 40. It's called That's the Sound.